Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now looking at dollar yen and dollar CAD in here. A mixed tone in here, dollar yen trying to set a base in here. We're seeing a more positive US dollar tone come through in here. The dollar strengthening it here against most major currencies, including the weakening against most major currencies, apart from against the yen, where it's strengthening against the yen. As we shift back to a more of a risk-on environment in here, as we've gone into early March, despite the threat of trade wars, despite a more hawkish FOMC, those negative themes dissipating, and we're seeing a more positive tone in here, generally for global capital markets, a more positive risk-on environment, and that's actually seen the dollar slightly weakening here against most currencies, apart from the yen being the safe haven. So dollar yen rising in here, trying to form a base, and we're seeing a better recovery effort, and we do see the risk higher going into the beginning of this week, going into mid-March. And if we take out 10800 up here, then it would create a better basing pattern and signal a shift from an intermediate term bearish to intermediate term neutral theme. Only through 109.31 signals a more bullish tone, so certainly a more positive spin for dollar yen. However, dollar CAD in here, having had this strong rally from through February into early March, with the threat of the trade wars, with a risk off scenario, seeing a weakening in here of the Canadian dollar relative to the US dollar, the US dollar strengthening in that risk off scenario in here that we've had, commodity currencies losing ground generally. But what we're seeing in here in the last week is dollar CAD starting to weaken here. So the Canadian dollar starting to strengthen again, the US dollar weakening as we go back to back to a risk-on scenario, and the push down through here, 128.61.53, sees correction threat lower. So we see a deeper correction threat. Although the intermediate term theme remains bullish whilst above 126.13.12 area, we do see a downside correction towards this area going into this week. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.